I had an old story, how a Savior came from glory, how He gave His life on Calvary to save a wretch like me. I heard about His groaning, of His precious blood atoning. Then I repented of my sin and won the victory, oh victory, oh victory in Jesus, my Savior forever. He sought me and bought me